Continuation for Chemistry MYE 24-25. Question number 4. We are given with the graph that is used for solid X that is heated for 600 seconds. The graph shows the heating curve that is obtained. So let's analyze the graph first. As we all know, in the heating curve, it shows as the time goes by and how the temperature are changing. So at this point, as the time goes by, the temperature is changing. We know that at this point it is solid. Then at this point, it's not changing the temperature as the time goes by because this is the time when our solid is already melting. Once it's melted, the temperature will continue changing. Therefore, our matter now, or our X now, is in liquid state. Then again, the temperature will stop changing as the time goes by. It means we are now in the state where the liquid starts to boil. And after it boils, the temperature will continue increasing. So it means at this point, it's now gas. So from this graph, we can tell that our melting point or freezing point is at this temperature. So that will be around 170 degrees. Then our boiling point is at this temperature. So this is the temperature where X will start to boil, and it will be around 240 degrees. So based on the graph, those are the information that we can update. Now, which of the following is the incorrect statement? So you need to be careful when answering multiple choices question, especially when you're looking for best answer, correct answer, incorrect, true or false statement. Okay. First statement says between 300 to 400 seconds, the temperature increases and particles move further apart. So we are talking about between 300 to 400. So that will be this time. So this is letter A. So it says here the temperature increases. So that one is correct. And the particles are moving apart. That is because they are liquid. Option B. So it means option A is correct. Option B. Substance X boils at 240 and melts at 170. So based on the information we gathered a while ago, that is also a correct statement. So this is our statement B. Statement C, between 115 seconds to 200 seconds. 115 is somewhere here, and 200 seconds is this one. So we're talking about this. There is no change in temperature because the energy is needed to change liquid into gas. So the first statement, there is no change in temperature. That is correct because as we can see, it's the point where it is melting. So our temperature is constant. But the reason why the temperature is constant because the energy is needed to change not solid to gas, but solid, not liquid to gas, but solid to liquid because that is melting. So again, the energy is used to change solid to liquid because it's melting, not liquid to gas. Okay, so letter C is our incorrect statement. Then letter D, above 560 seconds. So we're talking about this point, 560 seconds until here. This is our letter D option. Particles move randomly and rapidly. So that is correct because at this point, our X is at gas state. So statement D is also correct. Next, question number 5. For pure substances, P, Q, R, and S are tested using chromatography. The same solvent is used for each time. The table shows the distance moved by each substances and by the solvent from the baseline. So, which two substances are identical? So we can find which are the identical substances by finding which has the same RF. An RF value is calculated by distance traveled by the solute or the substance divided by the distance traveled by the solvent, or also known as solvent front. So if we try to calculate it, it will be 6 divided by 15. The answer is 0.4. This is the RF for P. Next one is 5 divided by 12. The answer is 0.41. Next, 9.2 divided by 23. The answer is 0.4. And the last one is 4.5 divided by 9. The answer is 0.5. So based on our calculation, we have two that has the same RF value, and that will be substance P and substance R. So that's why our answer is A. Question number 6. An atom of element T contains 32 protons, 41 neutrons, and 32 electrons. What is T? So we can find the element T by checking its proton number, because the proton number is also the same as its atomic number. So we can use our periodic table that is at the end, and we can tell which element has atomic number 32. So which element has atomic number 32? That is germanium. Okay, so germanium is our answer. This one has number 32. Now if you check your periodic table, you will know that sulfur has atomic number of 16, but the mass number is 32. So if you don't know that the atomic number is the one as the same as proton number, you might think that sulfur is the answer. Next is gallium. Gallium is atomic number 31, which is next to germanium. And arsenic has atomic number of 33.